Meet the Immortal Hydra, nature's tiny miracle of regeneration. This little creature can regenerate its entire body endlessly. But how does it manage to defy the odds of death? Hydras have specialized cells that allow for incredible healing. These cells can transform into any type needed for regeneration. Their secret lies in a unique genetic makeup that promotes growth. Hydras can even survive harsh conditions by going dormant. This resilience makes them fascinating subjects for scientists. Their ability to regenerate could inspire medical breakthroughs. So, what can we learn from these tiny water nymphs? Embrace resilience and adaptability in your own life. Discover the wonders of nature and its endless possibilities.